Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making a mouth-watering chicken biryani. Biryani is a well-famous dish and I'm sure you've heard of it. I'm gonna show you the best and easy way of making chicken biryani. I'm gonna serve this biryani with a very nice sauce and a crunchy salad. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First of all, we're gonna start by marinating our chicken. I'm using your chicken legs, you could use a full chicken. A good touch of biryani spice mix, there's a recipe on my channel. And with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Finally, a good pinch of salt in there. A simple yet effective seasoning. Give this a really good mix. Now you want to leave it to marinate in the fridge for a few hours. This process is gonna make your chicken more delicious. For the rice, you want to use basmati. Use a good quality one and that will give you better results. I will leave few links down below, so check them out. You want to soak up the rice in lukewarm water for at least 30 minutes. Once done, wash, remove the excess starch and drain off the excess water. And now you want to thinly slice some of these onions. Roughly chop the tomatoes. Make a paste of ginger, garlic, green chili. Thinly slice some of the lemon. And finally chop some of the coriander and mint. Now in a small bowl you want to add some of the saffron, a good pinch of this food color. Now in with this Kevra water, or you could use milk. Now give that a mix and set aside for later use. And I grab everything. Now for those who don't know, mainly there are two types of biryani. A cooked and an uncooked version. I'm gonna be doing a cooked version where you actually cook the chicken and then steam it with the rice. You will also need some of this yogurt. I also have an uncooked version, so do check it out. Alright, let's get cooking. Grab a pan and turn the heat around medium. Give it the oil. I'm cooking a large portion of rice, so we need this oil. You could use sunflower vegetable oil. When the oil is nice and hot, give it the onions. We're gonna let these onions cook until they are nice and golden brown. You don't want too much of a dark color on them. I'm gonna cover to soften them up a bit. Alright, so we can see our onions are nice and golden brown. At this point of time, we're gonna throw in our ginger, garlic and green chili paste. And now you want to cook the rawness of this paste. Give a few more minutes. If anything is sticking to the pan, you can always deglaze with a touch of water. Now throw in your tomatoes, give that a really good mix. And again, leave it covered for a few minutes to soften up the tomatoes. Now with your spice mix, you could make your own or use a store-bought one, it's no problem. Good touch of salt in there. Don't add too much, give that a mix, and again you want to cook the rawness of those spices. Give it a few minutes. I'm going to deglaze with a touch of water. Give that a mix. Now throw in your chicken. Give that a mix. Now leave this covered for at least 4 to 5 minutes and let the chicken release its water. And now I'm going to crank up the heat and really cook that chicken. So the chicken takes around 10 to 12 minutes to cook, so I know it's almost ready. Now we're gonna throw in the yogurt. Give that a mix. Now you want to let this cook until there's no water left and the oil is separated from the mixture. This is almost like a korma mixture. As you can see, the oil is separated from the mixture. This process will ensure our rice are nice and fluffy. And also, this is the best time to check for any seasoning, especially salt. Adjust if you need to. I'm gonna set the mixture aside. Now in some water you want to add some whole spices and some of the salt. The water needs to be slightly salty. Now throw in your rice. You want to parboil the rice until they're 75% done. You will notice they will still have some resistance and won't be too soft. The first boil will normally indicate they are half cooked, and 3 to 4 minutes more will do the job. Alright, so let's check the rice. I'm just gonna take a bite and I can feel there is some resistance in there. So at this point of time, I'm just gonna drain off the excess water. And in the same pan you want to add some of that leftover oil from the biryani mixture. Throw in half of the cooked rice. Distribute it evenly. Now slowly start adding your chicken mixture. All the rest of the mixture goes on the top. This is one of the best chicken biryani they're gonna try. Now we're gonna dress up our biryani with some of this finely chopped mint. Just goes on the top. Fresh coriander. And some of these lemon slices. gonna add some tanginess, a bit of the freshness to our biryani. And our leftover rice goes on the top. Make sure to lay them properly. And now that looks fantastic. Now we're gonna add our saffron water on the top. And our leftover saffron goes on the top. Now you want to add good 3 tablespoons of melted ghee on there. It's gonna add a lot of flavor. Now I would highly recommend using ghee. If you don't have that, then use butter. Finally, some of these crispy onions on the top, just for a beautiful aroma and taste. This biryani already looks so amazing. And now you want to place a clean kitchen cloth on the top, place your lid, and we're gonna let this steam up for around 15 to 18 minutes on low heat until done. For the sauce and with the yogurt, you could use Greek yogurt for this. And with a blended mint, coriander and green chili. Good pinch of salt in there. And finally, some of this toasted black cumin seeds. We're keeping it very simple, there's a lot of flavors going on. Give this a really good mix. Now you can adjust the consistency if you like using some milk. I have a mouth-watering sauce. Done. Have a little taste. Wow. For our salad, I've got red onions, some of this radish, and some cucumber. And with the pickle juice and some mustard seeds. A good pinch of salt in there. Give that a mix. Have a mouth-watering crunchy salad. Done. Finish it with some coriander. Alright guys, let's check out biryani. Bismillah. Just take a look at that. It looks so beautiful. Alright, so carefully I'm gonna move the rice to the side, just the top layer. Oh, look at that. The rice look amazing. So delicious. I'm just gonna have a little taste. That is so delicious. Alright guys, let's plate this up. And with your rice, some of our salad, and finally our mouth-watering sauce. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It smells amazing. Let's try some of those rice first. Bismillah. Wow. There's so much flavor in this. Try with some of the salad. One of the best chicken biryani that you're gonna try. Amazing flavors, wow. Let's try with chicken, look at that. Bismillah. Wow. The chicken is so delicious. It's not overcooked, it's nice and juicy. You know, some people they overcook and lose all the juices. Now if you want to enjoy biryani even more, then eat it with your hands. Cheers. That chicken biryani was really delicious. Hope you guys gonna enjoy it. Can we please get this video to 1000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.